Hi, I'm comedian Mario Hodge from Oakland, California, and I'm here to teach you about the Ratchet Bitch secret sign language. Yes, Ratchet Bitches have their own sign language. You have to know this type of shit to be able to communicate with them and understand what's going on, just in case one approach you. So I'm going to teach you different sign languages and gestures that Ratchet Bitches use. Here's the first one, which means and bitch. That lets you know she doesn't give a fuck about what you saying. So here it goes. It's a shoulder shrug with a little lean back and a smirk. Now the next one is the bitch please hand gesture with a little lean sideways. That's to let you know, bitch please. I ain't got time for all this type of shit. Here it goes. Now this next one is really important because it just means, bitch, I'm tired of talking. I ain't gonna do no more talking. Which is 3 claps in the motherfucking palm of her hand to let her know, bitch, you about to get hit. And it goes like this. Now this next one is the bitch whatever. That's when she's tired and everything that you say is getting on her motherfucking nerves. And she just, oh, she ready to go. And nothing you can say or nothing you can do to change her motherfucking mind because she's sick of your motherfucking ass and the people around her. Now the next one is a smirk face, which means you lying motherfucker. And it's usually towards if she's reading a Facebook post or some shit or text message from her baby daddy or her baby daddy is telling her to her face, I ain't fucking with that bitch, I swear. Now the next one is bitch I'm hella cute, which consists of the swivel of the phone and her sticking her tongue out to let you know, bitch, you ain't got shit on me because I'm way cuter than you. Now the next one is the bitches be hating on me, and that consists of her hair over her one of her eyes. It could be the right or the left, and she keeps moving it back and forth. Now the next one is when she agrees with you, or she gets a text from that nigga she been waiting on for a minute, and that's the yes. That's that one. I'll show you how it goes. And one important note, remember, the ratchet bitches with the biggest motherfucking foreheads got the best motherfucking pussy in the world. Now that concludes my lessons on ratchet bitches and their sign language. Now if you think these gestures and head movements and facial expressions are true from ratchet bitches, then please share my video and let the world know that ratchet bitches exist and how to communicate with ratchet bitches. And if you want to follow me at Mario Dion Hodge on Facebook and Mario Blau on Instagram to get your motherfucking laugh on, because I'm a crazy motherfucking fool. You better ask somebody. Ah,